What's up YouTube? Welcome to my second part of my restoration vlog. Thank you that you're with me once again. For those of you guys who have missed the first part, check it out and come back later. As you can see, lots of electricity stuff happening this time. So I'm quite in a hurry because time is running till I want to start my journey. So what am I waiting for? Let's go! Don't mention that my t-shirt color is changing all the time. I recorded all that work steps on several different days. Anyway, first off, I had to remove all those shuttering parts. I took out the radio as well, which I will remove to another one. And the driver's seat had to leave again. After I removed all the shuttering parts, my cockpit was looking like that. Then I had to get rid of my old speakers, which were riveted, therefore I had to drill them out. Then I replaced the speaker holder and I placed in the same speaker from JBL, which I already used in the back as well. Then I started to mount my own ISO connections for my new radio. Why didn't I took the original ones? Because I wanted to run it on my second battery. Now these holes are for some switches. I mounted 4 of them in total. One is for the radio, one is for the subwoofer, one is for the fringe, and one is for the second battery. Talking about my second battery, it didn't match perfectly under my driver's seat, so I had to cut out some pieces. Alright, battery is matching now, but it's still free, so I have to fix it in place. And for that reason I'm going to cut a hole in here and one in here so that I can use a rubber strap for fixing it. Now I had to connect everything to my second battery, which have been loads of cables. At the end it was looking like that. Very messy, I know, but it works and it's safe. Now it has become about time to cut out some wood plates for the actual construction where I can store all my stuff in and where I will place my bed on. As you can see, loads of woodworking. I placed in a subwoofer as well, and here we are working on a drawer for the fringe to keep all my stuff cool and fresh. Here I'm mounting some more drawers for some extra storage space. At the left side we added some shelves at the side where the side door is going to open up. Everything done so far, so it's time to lift in the construction into the car, and it seems to match. Talking about matching, we miscalculated something, so we had to fix it afterwards, but it wasn't that big story. Here I'm drilling some air holes for the fringe so that the absorbed heat can leave. And then finally, mounting the top plates. also tint the windows. I needed less than sun protection, but rather as a visual protection, so that nobody can see what's going on in the car. Then I needed some light, therefore we mounted that LED strap. I'm not far away from finishing this project, but do you remember the fringe I got in here? It didn't work variable, sadly, so I had to swap it out to this masterpiece here. Much more powerful, but it does have another size, so I have to change the shape in here. Let's go. Hey guys, I didn't recognize you out there. As you see, I'm finishing the video right now, and there's still some more things which I didn't catch on camera, sadly. First off, the monitor itself, which is hanging here where I'm cutting the video right now, which is powered from my computer, which is down here, and the table. I didn't show you guys the table. The table is removable and it will be placed where I'm sitting right now. And yeah, if I want to have it dark, I can strap those curtains. One here, one is here, and back here. And I also have the possibility to extend that table where I will be able to cook. And I also mounted this front tent here, which will protect me from the sun and from the rain. And overall, that has it been for the restoration, guys. For you guys, it is probably Sunday. At the time of recording, it is Saturday. And tomorrow, Monday, the journey will start. And I hope you guys will join me on that journey. If you don't want to miss any future stuff which is coming on the channel for sure, be sure to subscribe. Some here is the button where you can click on, and there are also some other videos you may have to check out. And there's also the first part of this restoration if you haven't seen it yet. Check it out, and I hope I will see you guys on the journey. So have a nice day. Over and out. Bye.